You were cooking it, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHighCarAudio, and others. You were cooking it, man.
You got TV5s at home. Let me give you a demo.
1 second.
I told you, go to. I told you, reckless.
Is it alright if I touch the cone? Okay. A little warm, not too bad.
Yeah, they're not.
They just got the coils from clipping, probably smoked them. But they're still good.
I've had these for about 2 years now.
Oh, wow, okay.
I've never clipped them like this.
Never? Oh,
Never.
Oh man.
So I know they're fine.
You're good. So what's your tuning on this?
It's, I think like 32, 33 hertz.
32, okay.
I'm good with what I'm good.
You've had smoke like this before? This is a lot of smoke.
Nope, never.
Man.
Never. For 2 years the coils actually look brand new.
Yeah. He's about to give me a demo. What's up? I'm ready to get in.
I need you to get one of my vice president too.
Okay.
Yeah, look right there.
Right here?
No, bass did its thing on it.
Oh yeah, you got it.
Yeah, I just did. I've had this built for 2 years now. And I'm not liking it.
Yeah.
I'm not liking it, so I'm just gonna cut the small stuff and I'm gonna get the newer style Tahoe, like that one right there.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
I'm just going wild.
Yes, sir. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
My name is Danny. I got 2 X15s. The box is for 2 ZV5s, which actually does pretty good. For being a size difference.
Yeah.
It actually plays pretty good.
Okay.
It's got a 90 amp hour C-Max.
Yes, sir.
DS18 on the doors. Scar 75.4 on the mids and highs. Mechman 400.
Did this help at all? With the roof?
It does a little.
Yeah. Is there
I'm
anything
just-
underneath the seat or
No.
amps?
No, it's not. No,
Just back here.
everything's in the back.
Okay.
And I can't bring the seats forward anymore.
Got it.
Bass also did its thing.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Woo!
Damn.
Were you clipping?
Yeah, well,
You were clipping, dude.
yeah, for the.
Let's go look in the back. Make sure it's right there.
Yeah, for the last little bit I did.
Oh, sorry. Ooh, you were clipping, man. Hey, you might want to play. Let me tell him. Hey, you have a lower frequency song to play low. That way it can cool off.
Yeah.
It's not healthy to shut it off and not play it. Yeah, if you got a lower frequency song, just play low volume.
Yeah.
It'll help him cool off. You were cooking it, man.